Alright guys, in today's video I have a first look here of a battery powered blower. I was recently contacted by this place that they sell battery powered tools on Amazon called KIMO, I believe, KIMO, and they asked me if I'd be interested in checking out their battery powered blower slash vacuum. I'm like, sure. So this is what I got in the mail. First of all, I really like the packaging of this tool. It just comes in a really handy little carrying bag like this, so it's easy to throw in the back of your truck or car and take it somewhere. Or if you need to store it, everything's all in one case here. So all in all, I'm liking it from just that point. All right. Let's talk price here. I believe on Amazon right now it's going for like $110. I think there's a little bit of a discount going on there, but for $110 you get the tool, the battery charger, and a 20 volt 4 amp battery. So not a bad price for what all you get here. I think I said before, it's a blower. You can also use it as a vacuum. So with that, let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so just start pulling stuff out of the bag here, and let's see what all you get. First of all, that's everything in the bag. Now I'm going to pull the bag aside, then I'm going to start laying some stuff out. Alright, here's your little bag here. Go. Here's the instruction manual. Alright, let's put that over there. Alright, here's all your attachments. Feels pretty solid. Yeah. Alright, here's the other half of that. Believe this one goes on the blower, and then this is your attachment. Yeah, like that. So feels solid enough. All right, and then here's the charger for the battery, and like I said before, the battery that comes with it is a 4 amp 20 volt battery. So I think if you were to go with a different brand out there, you'd probably pay that $110 just for the battery itself almost. So, but all right, there's the specs there for anybody who's interested. All right, there's that. Now the blower itself. Alright, there it is. 20 volt, 0 to 20,000 RPM. There's the model number QM-6001. So alright, so far so good. There's a look down in there. But yeah, this, for anybody who hasn't used these yet, this is the blower side and this is the vacuum side. So all right, so let's put that down. All right, then the battery itself, let's take a look at it. Alright, here's the battery. 20 volt lithium, 4.0 amps. Oh, it even has something on here that will tell you whether it's low or that's full charge, so that's nice too. So, all right, with that, I'm gonna get this out of the way. I'm gonna plug in the charger, and we're gonna start charging this battery. You know, obviously it's winter time right now, so there's not a whole lot to be blowing around right now, or even vacuuming up. So this is just a first look at everything that comes in this package. So I'll probably be doing a future video in comparison between this and the Milwaukee out there. So that'll be kind of interesting. All right, so I got power to the charger. Let's go ahead and there we go. All right, so now it's charging. So, all right, let's just slip that off to the side. Take one last look. Well, you know what? I tell you what, I'm going to just take the tool out and we'll just take a look at the bag itself inside. See how quality it is. Oops. All right, so there's the bag. Nice wide opening. Some type of plastic down there for the bottom so it won't fall out on you or crumple on you. So, but yeah, all in all, I'm liking what I'm seeing here, and like I said, for the price, it's not bad at all. I've never heard of this brand name before they contacted me, so you know, I don't know how much of a history it has out there and how much of a reputation it has, but that's one of those where you get your product out there and time will tell if it has a good rep for holding up and doing its job. So, but all in all, not bad. So with that, let me know what you guys think. If you have any of these brand name tools, I did notice that they also sell a battery powered ratchet, so that's kind of interesting too. I'm kind of curious how that one is built and how that compares to some of the other names out there. But so far, this leaf blower package looks all right. So with that, check it out and like the video, subscribe. Either way, I'll catch you later.